And the race for coronavirus vaccine is heating up. Three vaccine candidates, Moderna, Pfizer and Russia's Sputnik V, have shown encouraging results in late-stage trials, with all three now claiming an efficacy of over 90%. Speaking to India today, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan also expressed confidence that India will get COVID vaccine by early next year. Russia's vaccine Sputnik V will be undergoing phase 2 and 3 of clinical trials from next week here in India. It is going to be reaching Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Medical College in Kanpur, where more than 180 volunteers have already registered themselves for the clinical assessment of the vaccine. This is after Russian President Vladimir Putin pledged vaccine help to India. Here's a look.
देखिए, ये डेट देना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन वैक्सीन के रिसर्च के मामले में भारत के वैज्ञानिक जो है दुनिया के वैज्ञानिकों की तरह बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं। जैसे उसके जो कामयाबी के रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो देश के सामने उनको प्रस्तुत किया। निश्चित रूप से अगले साल के अंदर वैक्सीन आएगा और अगले साल के शुरुआती महीनों में ही आएगा।
Let's get you now a bird's eye view of the race of the vaccine price, dosage, everything. So the first one, Moderna, the cost is 2,800 Indian rupees. Storage would be between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and this is for 2 doses, the cost. Now, 2 shots for all is the standard. Pfizer one would cost you 3,000 rupees for 2 shots, and the storage is going to be a troublesome one if you remember. Minus 70 to 80 to minus 80 degrees Celsius is going to be rather very difficult for India. Sputnik, which is a Russian one, has to be stored in minus 18 degrees Celsius, and Covishield has to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the cost is just 225 rupees. American company Moderna has announced this vaccine has 94.5% efficacy, which is better than Pfizer's. But World Health Organization has sounded off a word of caution right there. It says a vaccine in itself cannot end the pandemic. Here's a report.
The global hunt for COVID vaccine is yielding results. 2 vaccine candidates have shown encouraging late-stage trial results. Moderna has claimed its vaccine was found to be 94.5% effective in a preliminary analysis, which is similar to Pfizer's vaccine with 90% efficacy. Moderna claims its vaccine can be stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius compared with Pfizer's minus 75 degrees.
It's a really important milestone in the fight against the pandemic because it demonstrates that our vaccine, mRNA-1273, is able to prevent COVID-19 disease, including severe disease in people who've received it. It's really just a milestone, though. We have a lot of work ahead of us. Knowing the vaccine is going to be effective is great news, but we still need to complete the regulatory process.
The results have raised hopes, but most countries would still be a long distance away from getting vaccine deliveries. The reason? The rich nations have booked a bulk of the promised doses already. India is pinning hopes on vaccine candidates under trial on its soil. Serum Institute of India is conducting phase 2 and 3 trials of the AstraZeneca Oxford University vaccine. Bharat Biotech has started phase 3 clinical trials of its vaccine candidate Covaxin. The first batch of Russia's Sputnik V vaccine is likely to reach Kanpur for phase 2 and phase 3 human clinical trials.
वैक्सीन के रिसर्च के मामले में भारत के वैज्ञानिक जो है दुनिया के वैज्ञानिकों की तरह बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम कर रहे हैं। जैसे उसके जो कामयाबी के रिजल्ट्स आएंगे तो देश के सामने उनको प्रस्तुत किया। निश्चित रूप से अगले साल के अंदर वैक्सीन आएगा और अगले साल के शुरुआती महीनों में ही आएगा।
Organization has warned that finding a vaccine in itself would not mean the end of COVID.
It's important to emphasize that a vaccine will complement the other tools we have, not replace them. A vaccine on its own will not end the pandemic.
Vaccine nationalism is the new threat that the world is facing in its war on COVID-19. Only 13% of the world's population has already ordered 51% of the doses promised. Now remember, the WHO had warned about this. The WHO had said if the rich nations corner the vaccines, then we will see the pandemic linger on till 2024. This is Aishwarya Paliwal reporting from New Delhi with camera person Sanjay Kumar.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.